Right, this is Coco Bags in Oludeniz. This is just on the main strip. If you don't know where I am, take a look right here, look. That's one side of the strip, that'll take you down to the beachfront. Just opposite Genuine Fake Factory, and straight at the top there, that's where you can get a taxi back to your hotel, your apartment, Overchake, Hisarönü, Fethiye, Chalish, wherever it might be, you can get a taxi up there. Next door to Debenhams is Coco Bags. Let's take a look inside. Hello mates, hello, hello. Now I know absolutely nothing about bags. Everyone on the video, please help me pick a nice bag for Rochelle. I know nothing about bags. Let me know who's watching. Ladies, are you watching? Lads, I'm guessing you'll know nothing about bags as well if you're like me. Tell me what bag is best to get Rochelle on this video. You lot, I've already left the shop. Let me know what you would get on the video. Share the post and don't forget to subscribe to Dad Loves Food on YouTube. So let's take a look around the shop. This is Coco Bags. So the price is on these, look. 20, 15, 15 there. 20, 25. Very, very nice shop. Sean's Craig, how are you? Sean, I'm good, thanks, but please, ladies, if you're watching this, help me out. Help me out what to get Rochelle. I'm going to show you section by section. What do I buy, Rochelle? Please help me. From here, are these like man bags, mate? Do you have anything to put like an Apple Mac in or not? You know, that the slide inside. Just like that. What? Yeah, you can put like a little laptop in there, Apple Mac. Nice, mate. Is this one real leather or not? Yeah, so we're going to keep looking. I'm just asking out. I'm on a Facebook Live. I'm just asking everyone, what bag should I get my wife? I know nothing about bags. You can tell me what's popular, what's not. Thanks. Look, I'll take that on for Rochelle. She'll divorce me. She'll kick me out. Why did you get me this bag? Which ones are popular? All these ones? Yeah. 34. These are classy. What do you think? Everyone on Facebook, let me know. Steve just put white one. Steve, that's exactly what I'd be like. Black one, white one. That's exactly what I'd be like. Still a couple of Labubu's from last year. That went crazy, that, didn't it? Everyone just wanted them. They've also got some sunglasses in the shop. Let's take a look at these. How much are the sunglasses? Okay, let's get some on. Let's get some big, naughty sunglasses on. Between 10 and 25? Yeah. Well, let me sort that hairdo out as well. So, these ones, how much are these? 15. I think you're just guessing in these. In the middle, 15, 15. 1750, 1750. But honestly, I'm being serious. Can someone please help me find Rochelle a bag? Look, you've got this section where the price, is that the right price, yeah? The price on everything there. Then you've got these ones here, look. Everyone help us out. The shop is clean, tidy, no hassle at all, but he's helping me. He's helping me just have a little nosy around. The brown one says Sean, where you looked before. Sean, where is it? Everyone share this post, by the way. I've got a holiday giveaway coming up. Oh, do you know what? He might even help me out here. Coco, can I be really, really cheeky? So I'm giving away a holiday to Hisarönü and Oludeniz. Yeah. Someone's going to get flight, maybe like October. But I'll draw it next month so they can plan ahead. They don't pay to enter. It's free. I'm going to cover the hotel. I'm going to cover the flights. Yeah. I'm going to get them a Turkish breakfast somewhere, kebab somewhere.
That's how they get experience.
Why don't you give a voucher for the shop? Then you're on the competition. Promo for the business for Coco Bags. Someone can have a bag. Yeah, so I'll just put one bag, Coco Bags. Yeah, and he'll be like, down this end, down this end, down not the real leather end, not the real. Just in the corner, Craig, that £5 bag. Winner, there you go, love. All the best.
This one.
Let's keep looking. Go to the back, says Sean. Sean, give me 2 seconds. So, what are these? Are these for passports? And these ones? What are them ones? Just for cards? Yeah. Oh, passport with cards. Only leather in these?
It doesn't with to sell them in plastic.
Oh, nice. Let's have a... Oh, they're big wallets, aren't they? You got some cash. This must be your wallet, is it? Big cash. Yeah. Lots of notes. You have £1 million lira in there and it works out like £10. £10, yeah. £10 million lira.
We need a carrier bag to carry all the Turkish.
Right, let's keep looking. What do you all think then? Let me know. Don't forget the holiday giveaway. So the holiday giveaway now is going to include one bag from Coco Bags. What do you think? So Sean told me to go back to the back where I was. So let's call this side left, and we're going to call this side right. In the comments, should I go for Rochelle side left, or side right? Oh, he's going for the old real leather stuff. Side right. What do you think? Right, everyone in the comments, side left, side right, you choose. Do I get Rochelle a bag from this side, or straight, or does? Sa, sol, or does? Oh, these are big bags, are they? These are in glass cases. You have to have money to come back this way. To step up this step, you have to have money, so I'm going to stay back here. I'm going to take a video from here.
1 second.
Money never sleeps. Very true. Right, so Suzanne says right, Shahid says right, Danielle says right. Let's see the same side you're on. Right, so that's the back. And I'm in Oludeniz right now. Let me show you this side. This side is the right side, or left side. Left side. And this side is the right side. Let's take a look. I'm going to show you, and then let's pick Rochelle a bag. But ladies, everyone who's watching, I need your help because I know absolutely nothing about bags. So I'm going to start from there. So we know we're sticking to this side. We're on the right-hand side now. Yeah, I'd say like an everyday bag. Everyday bag. I'd prefer it to be down this side of the shop though, where it's cheaper. You know, get me away from the real leather. But this is the side we're on. What do you think? There, where you are, the brown one. Am I on it now? Let's have a look. The brown. There's loads of brown ones. Sean, there's loads. I'm on the right side, yeah. Right. Do you mean this one? This one right here. Is this the one we're talking about? Sean, is it this one? Just a quick yes or no. This one? If you say yes, that's one I'll get her. I would get grey, natural colour. What, like this or that? 4 shelf up. 4 shelf up. Right, what, this one? This one? Or this one? Are these different prices? Behave, you're just trying to get me to spend money, you.
Exactly.
No wonder he's wearing a real Rolex. He's took it off for the video, he's took it off. Don't tell anyone I wear a real Rolex, he was saying. Kenny, you're right, mate. Lads, we cannot. Like, seriously, how hard is it? How hard is it to find your missus a bag? Like, men, we aren't built for bags. You know, fair enough, watches, sunglasses, or what they've got over there, then wallets, things like that. We can just pick it up, walk out. Jeans, t-shirts.
Always sat down while they're shopping.
Women,
Not paying attention.
you know, we don't have a clue what to get. Next set of shelves. What are we talking about here? No idea what we're talking about here. Try and flip that around. So, one of these. Next set of shelves. What, this one? Or this one? So this is top shelf. Let's call this, so shelf 1 at the top. Shelf 2 here. Shelf 1 or shelf 2. Shelf 1 or shelf 2. Go to the back, get a good leather one. All these are good leather. £10 plastic. 4 shelf up. The one on the end.
This part is leather.
1, 2, 3, 4. This one or this one. Go to the right. This one or this. Is this the one we're saying? I can't see Rochelle wearing that, mate. Carrying that about. Behind you, last set of shelves 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. Oh, you're confusing me now. So if we call that shelf 1, someone said shelf 2. I think this one, me. Oh, someone's just said shelf 1. Oh, do you know what? I can't do this. I can't do this. I'm just going to potluck. I'm going to get 2 down. I'm going to randomly pick a one. We aren't built for bags. We're not built for it. But once I do this competition to win a holiday to Hisarönü and Oludeniz, I'm also, these are going to throw in a bag from Coco Bags. So the holiday competition is coming soon. This is Coco Bags in Oludeniz.